Okay, not going to keep you long today, guys. I'm just going to make a stock from lamb. I had some lamb that I cut up. Now these are the bones, nice bit of meat on it. So what you can do is keep just the liquid, drain it all off once it's done. Use the stock for whatever you want, or like me, I'm going to get in there and have a nice little go at that. I love that lovely, nice bit of meat on there. So I'm going to have that. Really easy, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, this is a nice short video we're going to be doing today. We're going to make some lamb stock or meat stock. So what I've got there is some lamb bones and ribs and things like that. I had some lamb. I trimmed all the meat off, and this is the excess. So there's some meat on there, but yeah, lots of bones is kind of what you really require. Now I've got there about 1 kg, which is about 2.2 pounds. Any type of bone works really. Even a little bit of fat on there is nice. Now what you put in it is entirely up to you. I'm going really simple today. I've got a cup of onion, a cup of carrots, a tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 of pepper. If you want celery, tomato you could put in there, some other vegetables. You could put ginger in, cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom. You can take it in any direction you like. What we're going to do today is we're going to pop all of this into a pressure cooker. I'm using a pressure cooker just to save time. You can do it without a pressure cooker, of course. It takes much longer. And then we're just going to add water, and we're going to let it go, and it's going to do its thing. Really simple. Okay, so I've got my pressure cooker here. We're going to get our meat bones in. Then we're going to add the ingredients that I just showed you. So we've got garlic, carrots, onion, and salt and pepper. Now you can add, like I say, anything you like in here now. You can get some thyme in there, rosemary, whatever you fancy. We're literally going to just put water in, cold water. And like I say, I'm doing this in a pressure cooker. It'll really save time if you have one. I'm going to get the lid on my pressure cooker, set it up, and I'm going to let it go for about 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, so look at that, beautiful. Now look, by the way, if you were going to boil this without a pressure cooker, you probably want it to go for an hour, maybe 2 hours, depending on the size of the bones that you've got in there. But yeah, this is super, super soft now. Just see if we can have a look at some of it. Yeah, just really, really, really soft. So what you can do now is you can drain it all off and discard this and just keep the liquid. But like I say, I've got quite a decent amount of meat on there. And another thing you can do is just have a lovely bowl of it. It's good for you. Okay, simple as can be. Like I say, that you can just grab the meat off the bones and have it like a nice broth soup, really delicious. And like I say, nice winter warmer that is, and good for you. Or if you want, drain everything off, keep the liquid, that's your stock. You can put that into some stews, curries, soups, whatever you like. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.